Hello, welcome fellow traders. AMP Futures here presenting another how-to video. In today's video, we're going to talk about a new chart type that TradingView has recently integrated into their trading software. And the specific new chart type that we're going to talk about today in this video is called the time price opportunity, also commonly referred to as TPO charts. Now, if you're not familiar with what a TPO chart will do, typically a TPO chart can help visualize price progression and concentration over a time period. And initially, TradingView rolled the TPO tool as an indicator, but they've now taken this a little further and have introduced the TPO chart as an actual chart type within the TradingView platform. Now, just like the indicator, TPO charts can help traders study the dynamics of price changes over a certain period and determine the price levels with maximum and minimum activity. A TPO chart with TPO charts, traders can determine price targets that may potentially help predict future price movements in the market. So we're going to go and show you where to go to access these new chart types within the TradingView platform. The one thing that I want to point out as well before we get started is you can only access these new chart types if you have a premium subscription of TradingView or higher. So if you're using a version or paid plan that's less than premium, you're not going to be able to access these new particular chart types. So first, let's go ahead and show you where to go to access the new chart types. Just like you're using different chart types that you've already been using, which you're probably already familiar with if you're a seasoned user of TradingView, you're going to click at the top here. You'll see to the right of the time frame button, this is the chart type button. So when you click it, now you can see all the different available chart types that you can use with your specific version of TradingView. So if you notice, there's some that are labeled as new, and these are the new chart types that I'm referring to. So for example, time price opportunity, also known as TPO. You have volume footprint and volume candles, which we'll also discuss in different idea videos in the future. But for now, we're focusing on time price opportunity. So all you need to do is just basically click the chart type button, scroll down, and simply choose time price opportunity as the actual chart type. Now, I'm not going to get so deep into how to use the TPO chart type. This video is more of a demonstration of where to go to access the chart type. But in a nutshell, the main element of the chart, TPO chart that is really the TPO profile that's located here on the left side, and then you're going to see the volume profile, which is displayed on the right side. Now, you also have a price line that may serve as an additional data source, but each TPO profile will typically represent a daily, weekly, or monthly period, which you can adjust both the horizontal time and vertical price profile granularity in the chart settings. And what I mean by that is if you actually right-click on the chart, let's actually cover some of the different chart settings that you can access. So for example, if I right-click and go to settings within the context menu at the bottom here, you'll notice if you click on the symbol tab at the top here, this will take you into the actual TPO chart settings. So here are some of the periods and block sizes that you can adjust. So for example, for periods, you can go daily, weekly, and monthly, and of course to set your value. And of course for the block size, you have a minimum of 5 minutes all the way to 4-hour ranges. Now for greater convenience, the settings have been presented into groups. So for example, in the line section that you see here, you can choose the data the price chart will be based on and determine its color and thickness, the time price opportunity area, which is right here, as you can see here. So when I say for greater convenience, the settings are presented in groups, you have different groups. So this is the line group, this is the time price opportunity group, you have lines and labels. So it's going to make it easier for you to go down and adjust the settings and parameters just by simply looking at those particular groups. So going back, for example, to the time price opportunity section, this will typically include the main profile parameters such as period, block, and row sizes. You can also customize profile colors in this section as well. In the lines and labels section for the TPO profile, you can activate lines such as PLC, pour high, pour low, single prints, and more. And then last but not least, you have the volume profile section, which you can typically toggle the visibility of the volume profile and activate various lines and labels for it. So pretty much all you're really going to do is just go through your settings, set your parameters accordingly, click OK, and you'll be well on your way in using the new TPO time price opportunity chart type that TradingView has recently rolled out. And this is how you access the new TPO chart type natively within the TradingView software.